Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning and deep cleaning on a Canon TS7450. Now if you've noticed a print quality issue on your machine, it's likely down to a blockage in the ink cartridges themselves, as in this printer ink comes directly from the bottom of the cartridge. But if any ink has dried or congealed on the bottom there, it can cause either missing colours or horizontal lines specifically on your prints. So if that sounds like what you're getting, what we need to do first of all is press OK to go into menu, and we're going to press the down arrow until we get to maintenance. Once we're on maintenance, press OK. And as you can see, cleaning and deep cleaning are the second and third option. Now, as tempting as it may be to go for deep cleaning and do an extra good job, these processors do use up ink from the installed cartridges, so I'd recommend using them sparingly. If it's your first clean, definitely just go for the normal cleaning, because you don't want to use up the relatively expensive ink unnecessarily. So I'm going to go into that. Press OK a couple of times, and as you can see here, it indicates it's cleaning the printhead. This will take your printer just a minute, and what it's doing is pushing ink through the printer's printhead to try and dislodge any of that dried or congealed ink in there and improve the quality of your prints. So we'll give it just a minute to do its thing. And when it's done, it'll give you the opportunity to print a nozzle check, which is like a test page that breaks down the 4 colours used by your printer and allow you to diagnose any print quality issues that may remain or confirm that everything's now A-OK. Heaven forbid any print quality issues remain. You can always move on to that deep cleaning we mentioned earlier and just carry on doing cleans and test pages until you're happy with the quality of the print you're getting. If you're having a particularly stubborn issue, it might be a genuine issue with the cartridge, because as I say, ink comes straight from the bottom of them. So that is an option on this particular machine. There's absolutely no reason that stubborn print quality issues should be down to the printer itself. Now, if you wanted to check out our video on the nozzle check pattern, you can find that on our channel. We go into it in a little bit more detail, show you what it should look like, and flag any kind of common issues that you might be getting. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it in the comments. Drop a like if you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.